Hey travel lovers, today I'm going to show you the hotel that I'm staying in here in Chandragiri, Odisha. Doing some photography. This is their living room. The lunch. So I was just telling this man how what a good view of lighthouse. This town is called Mahendragarh, and this is the hotel that I'm staying in. In the front you have a pan shop that you have in any part of India. If you go to any hotel or a restaurant, you have to have a pan shop. Then this is the reception here on the first floor, and here's where we have our room. There's a padlock here on the door, and I hear this is the only hotel in this area. So if you want to visit the monasteries of Chandragiri, the Jiranga Monastery, the Buddhist monastery, then this is the hotel that you have to choose, because here there are no homestays, hostels or any other hotel, or so I've heard. Now let's look at how the hotel is. So this is the room. It's messy right now because I have my stuff laying around. I have my laptop here. Now let's see what we have. We have this nice showpiece and white bed sheet and white towel with only a few stains here and there. Same with the bed sheet. And there is one hole here, but that's not a big inconvenience. And these walls, you may think that these are wallpapers, but no, these are real tiles. This table, TV, oh, this was not supposed to be seen. That's not how you use your TV. And I'm hanging my t-shirt here. The AC, which I've been trying to start, but it doesn't start. But we don't need AC because we are in the hill station. But you should know, if you come here in the summer, keep this in mind. What else? Bathroom. How can we forget? Oh, before the bathroom, how can we forget the view as well? These are nice windows. Look at the view. So you can come here, you can come out of the bathroom after you take the bath and enjoy this beautiful view standing here. This is your man. I just came from the monastery and I explored many other places. If you've not checked out the previous vlogs, check them out right now. Now, before we forget, let's look at the bathroom. We have this bath. You can't call it a bucket, it's a bathtub for small children. When I was a kid, I used to swim in a bathtub like this. So if you're coming here with children, you're getting a swimming pool for your children. We have this toilet, there's an exhaust fan here, there's a nice shower head. If you want to call the reception, you can come to the bathroom and dial this number, and probably somebody from the reception will receive your call to serve you. So this is the hotel. The name of the hotel is Budu Hotel. Yes, don't laugh, it's not funny. So Budu Hotel, is the name of this place. Supposedly this is the only hotel in this area. Budu International Hotel. Okay, it's not just a hotel, international hotel. And yeah, I wanted to show you this also. So last night, first of all, there is no lock here. This is a latch. So last night I latched it up and I turned it down. And then in the morning, this is what happened. It won't open. You can't turn it back up. Okay, it did now. In the morning, I spent 10 minutes trying to open the door. Okay, thankfully the fan is running noiselessly. I'm tired actually. So guys, I've not even kept my stuff after I came. So now the time is 10:05. I left this place at 6 in the morning to go to the monastery. I went to the monastery, which was closed, so I could not see the monastery, but I saw a nice Buddhist temple. On the way back, I went to a very old-fashioned tribal village of Odisha people, so you don't want to miss out that. Then I had my breakfast at a Tibetan dhaba, some Tibetan food. If you want to watch that, go back to the it must be the previous video to this. And I'm also linking this whole Odisha playlist in the description of this video. So you check out the playlist, check out other videos, have fun, and if you like this, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget the bell icon. You know, the beautiful bell icon. Okay, bye bye. From Budu Hotel. Oh, and the most important thing, I forgot to tell you what I'm paying here. I'm paying 1,050. Yes, 1,050 rupees per night, and I'm staying here for 2 nights. That's the piece of information that I missed out. So there you have it. Bye bye.